To create a Venmo account in India, you need to understand that Venmo is a US-based peer-to-peer payment service and does not directly operate in India. However, you can still use Venmo in India by linking your US bank account or debit card to the app. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to create a Venmo account in India. First, download the Venmo app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Since Venmo is not available in India, you may need to change your App Store location to the US or use a VPN to download the app. Once the app is downloaded, open it and tap on Sign Up. You will be asked to provide your email address, phone number, and password. Make sure to use a valid email address and phone number as you will need to verify them later. Next, you will be asked to add a funding source. Since Venmo does not support Indian banks, you will need to link your US bank account or debit card. If you do not have a US bank account, you can consider using a service like Payoneer or TransferWise that provides US bank account details. After adding your funding source, you will be asked to verify your identity. This is a mandatory step to comply with US financial regulations. You will need to provide your name, date of birth, and social security number. If you are not a US citizen, you can use your passport number or tax identification number. Once you have verified your identity, you can start using your Venmo account. You can add friends, send and receive money, and even make purchases online. Keep in mind that Venmo charges a small transaction fee for certain transactions, so make sure to check the fees before making any payments. In conclusion, creating a Venmo account in India requires some extra steps, but it is still possible to use the app. Make sure to follow the steps carefully and provide accurate information to avoid any issues with your account. Additionally, be aware of the transaction fees and limits to ensure a smooth experience.